Hi, I'm back today to do another Google Code Jam exercise. Um, if you didn't know, this is a live exercise. This is the first time I'm looking at the problem and doing it, and this will be for the round 1B 2016 getting the digits. So the problem states you just made a new friend at an international Oops. You just made a new friend at an international puzzle conference and you asked for a way to keep in touch. You found the following note slipped under your hotel room door the next day. Salutations, my new friend. I've replaced every digit on my phone number with its spelled out uppercase English representation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the digits 0 through 9 in that order, and then reordered all of those digits in the same way to produce a string. It's up to you to use S to figure out how many digits are in my phone number and what those digits are, but I will tell you that my phone number consists of those digits in non-decreasing order. Give me a call if you can. You would like to call your friend to tell him that this is an obnoxious way to give someone a phone number, but you need the phone number to do that. What is it? So the input is the number of test cases. Test cases follow each consists okay. For each test case we're okay. So let's see. Here are the examples. 0, 1, 2. So this is 0, 1, 2. So 0 zero. Oh, I see. Okay. So it's scrambled, and it is also um, yeah, I see. So it's scrambled and 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 1, 4, 3. So it seems like it's in order from 0 to 9. This will be kind of like a matching problem. So let's do like a dictionary of numbers, and then we will have 0 through 9, which is, yeah, I'll just copy this. Um, and give the equivalent value. Might be cleaner. Oops. Um, and 9. Okay. So this, I'm going to import a library for regular expressions. Maybe. I don't think I need it, but it would be nice. Possibly. Ooh, no spaces between the colon. And too many, okay. So let's see, we would want to start each, so a non-optimized way is to go from 0 to 9, the string values, and then we would want to look for Z's, then E's, then R's, and O's. A good way to do that, oh, and we have to take them out, so we have to pop what we see, and if we pop everything, then that exists. Then we take it out. We truncate, I guess, the string. Let's do that. So definition, let's say find numbers. Okay. We take in a string number, input. So let's say number. Okay. Then we have this dictionary inside. And then I'm just gonna have something ready to test with. We'll do this test case. Okay, so for letter in number, for key for num in number. No, okay, so this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So we want to keep iterating from 0 through 9, and it only passes 0 when you don't find 0, because you could find multiple zeros. So let's see, we want to pop, we want to find if the number, let's just have another called find number. So def, oh wait, number inside. So we take in a number and a check number. So for number, how do we iterate it? Check number. Okay, so for letter in number, if length number if length check number if check number is equal to, check number 0 is equal to letter, then we want to pop, so check number equals check number, and we will now, there. So let's just do this check real quick to make sure we're doing everything okay. So number inside, we'll say the number was this. Also, we have to return. So if length check number return false, because we want to keep popping everything out until there's nothing left. So else return true. This I'll pass for now, just so I can run the test. Yes, 0, 1, 2. Let's see. We'll check it with 0. And let's. Oh. So this should be returning true, I believe. False. Why is it false? Is it popping the wrong thing? Check number. C, E. Oh, it's not in order. Huh. I see. Okay. It can be in any order, but the other one doesn't have to be in order. Okay. So, so we want to pop the letter as well. And the way we do that is letter is equal to letter, oops. I'm thinking, since we're in the for loop, we want to be careful with the popping of the letter. Maybe we want to do this a lot. This is not ideal, but okay. So not equal to letter is actually if letter in check letter. One, two, three has two E's. So what happens if there's two E's? Do two E's get taken out? Yes, they do. Okay, so let's see. For letter and number, okay. Let's just not do that. Okay, so we go through each letter, and if check number, just so I do not. Okay. So for letter and check number, no, we don't care about that. We only care. So if letter in check, we will pop both. So number dot pop. No. This is okay. So if I iterate from if I iterate each letter of a string, how would I keep going through while popping? Okay, so for each, if the letter is in check, then we pop check. Let's see. I want to do a test. I don't know if this will work, but yeah, it's only for a list. Okay. the hell do it? So if I wanted to get rid of B, I would go up to B, then I would add B plus 1, which is 2. Okay. Yep. And then I just want to check it. Yep. Okay. So, and then I want to do the same for number, but let's see. Maybe I'll do that at the end. Yeah. That's a way to get around, like popping something while you're in the same array or list or whatever, trying to pop the value. I forget what other ways you could do it. This is kind of a dirty way where I just pop. I'm gonna just pop everything in the check number first, which is basically that 0, 1, 2, 3. So when that is blank, then I know that there was something in there. So I'm gonna go back again. So if length, if length check, yeah, if not length check for letter in check for iter letter in number. I wanna, I don't, I wanna, yeah, I wanna do that just because, I don't know, we'll see. If letter is equal to original number, iter letter, then we will pop it. So we will say that the original number, same thing as this basically. And this will be original. Oops. This will be original. This will be original. This will be original. Sorry, this isn't original. This will be the iter letter. And iter letter. And then we want to return this. Oh, we always will return check. No. So we'll return the original number, and we will return check. Oh no, so we'll always return the original number. Let's do true. True original number. Return false. Return false original number. Okay. So now we will actually iterate. So for key in for number in dict of numbers dot keys for check number. Number inside, number in number is equal to check number. So not check number inside. Number inside. This is number. And sorry, this will be number as well, which is update number. And this will be check number. So let's try, well, let's retry this to make sure it is false. Why is it false? Should be true. Oops, this is actually an integer. Oh. Break here. And we want to break here. True. What about 2? Okay. This shouldn't be what it returns though. Oops, so range, same mistake, kind of. Okay. Okay, if there's no check length, that means there's no, you can't iterate it, so it has to be check number. So 0 would be the O and the C and the E and the R. It shouldn't be. But why is there still? Let's see. Gosh. Let's see. If not length of check for letter and check number, let's just print check number real quick to see. 2. Oh, I changed it to 2. Okay. Zero would be ON TOW. ONTOWE. Okay. I believe that will be right. Okay, and now the number, so So now that this works, we find out that we will get a true or false statement. We will also get the new kind of mutated string with the what was removed. So this part, we're going over every key. We're using this. We're seeing if this is in this. We're using this function. And if this is in this, it will return true. We'll also take this out, return what is left, which is here. And we will append it. So if this is true, we will append list of used numbers that append dictive numbers, and then we will return that key, which is check number, or the value for the key. And while this is true, we keep doing it. So we might find multiple zeros in one, we might find just multiple numbers, or the keys or whatever in it. And then if not, we'll keep going. So this will break out. To make it cleaner, we probably don't need this part. We'll just set number in equals false to begin, and oops, true I mean. And yeah, we will run. Sorry, that's not it. We will do find numbers. See what it finds. Return list of views. Get rid of the other print statements. And print this. Hopefully we will get 0, 1, 2. Cross your fingers. 0, 1, 2. So instead of a list, we'll just actually have a string, and then we'll list of views plus equals string. Actually, there. Then we will actually change these to strings or chars. I don't think Python knows what chars are, or I mean, it's not important. But I think their concept of they don't have a concept of a char, if I'm correct. Well, there's no use for it. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So let's try some other examples. Actually, let me copy the 4. Two, 4, 6, 8, 1, 1, 4, 3. Okay. And so to go over basically, let me finish this up actually. So def find numbers in text input file. So this is the input file that Google gave us. We want to skip the first line. We always know that the first line is just the line of how many lines there will be. Let's see here, 100. That's not important. We know there will be 100. Let me find numbers in text. Okay. line and input line equals line dash script, and use numbers will equal to find numbers in line. Print sorry, this is actually the case number. Count equals 1. We uncount after this. Case number. We'll format it 0 space 1. And this will be the count as well as, oops, this is dot format. And this will be the use numbers, which is already a string. Okay, let's see if this works. Seems like it might. 99 is only 0. Let's see if that's correct. It seems kind of odd. Yep, that's correct. And why is 100 1 and 3? One, two, three, 4. Was 4 in it? It seems kind of weird. That's only 1 and 3. Let me do a test. Oh. Is it always in order from 0 through 9? Like, what if it's not in order from 0 through 9 and then the letters were not taken out, but I mean, it's weird because the example, like, the example has it like that, the sample, right? Okay, let's see. If you take out 1, it's O-N-E. O. Let's just make a copy of this. O-N-E. Okay, if there's, well, this will, so, is there a G at all? Yeah, there's 8. E-I-G-H-T. Why was there no 8? Is this order? I didn't 8. Because there was no E. There was no E because the 3 took it. So T H R E E. Okay. So there can't be 8. I think this was a trick to, like, see if you're going in order. So and I guess there were leftovers is what I'm guessing. Let me know if you think I'm wrong. But my guess is it says that the numbers are reordered. The numbers are in a non-decreasing order. There shouldn't be extra, it seems like. I mean, he said he reversed the numbers and then reordered them. So this is actually, this should be, let's see what happens if we take out 8. So my algorithm basically goes from beginning key to end, but it still has letters unused, which I guess is incorrect. So E, I, G, H, T. I think I see another one. E, I, G, H, T. I think I see a 4. So F, O, U, R, and this is a 9. So there were 9884. This is pretty tricky now. Okay. Because I'm not going in order and saying like look for these. I'm actually going in order of the longest one. I see. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Which is, instead of going from 0 through 9, I think I need to go from the longest string to the shortest. So I can reorder it. Let me see. Oops. Sorted. Probably reverse. No, no reverse. Okay. Let's see if this works. This number thing should always be blank. Like, okay, that worked. Let's do a check. Ooh, see, we've leftover numbers. That's not good. So let's look at 6, which is this one. I think I see a 4, so let me do this again. Try to solve it manually. Well, why is there an X? Is there an X in any of these? So now this is confusing me again because there's no X, so they're actually 0, 1, 2, 3. Do you see? Oh, 6. Okay, there is an X. This is tricky. Tricky. Huh. should I do stuff without common? So not only should I go by length, I should go by non-common. This is what I'm going to do manually. I'm going to just go by length first. Or go by uncommon first. So is there a V in any of these? There is. There's a 5 and a 7. Is there an F? Yes. Oh, so how do I sort this? Like, what do I check first so that it will always not leave extra stuff? I think so. There's no Z. Let's see. There's no Z. So 0, 0. It's okay to go 0 first because there's no Z. If we find 0, there's no harm. Let's see. I want to go 8 minutes. And I can go 8 minutes because there's no G. I don't think I can go 1. Can't go 2. Maybe go 2. Yeah, I can go 2. So 2. Can I go 4? I can go 4. Can I go 5? No, I cannot go 5. Can I go 6? I can't go 6. Can I go 9? I don't think I could go 9. Alright, so now I'm comparing with the rest of the order. I don't care if it was found in this top. I only care if this. So let's see. 1. I think 1 will be last. It has an N. 7 has a V that's shared. 5. Okay, I can go 5. 5 doesn't have anything else with the rest. 7. Let's see. I'm just thinking like this is not optimal. Like me manually reordering it this way. I think this is a correct solution, but let me know how you solved it or someone else solved it. But this is the way I feel like I can solve it. So 3 isn't shared with the rest of them. 1, 7, 9. I don't think it matters at this point. Let's just go 7 and the V isn't shared. 9. And then we'll just leave 401. It's the last. Okay, hopefully I'm correct. Let's see. Looks good. Okay. Yeah. I feel like I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have had to do that. But who knows? I guess it works. Yeah. So I think that's my solution. You see there's no leftovers. I'll just remove those just so that it's not messy. And now I'm thinking like I didn't do some of the older coding ones might have been incorrect just because like I passed these samples, and usually when I pass the samples I'm like, oh, I'm done. But if I hadn't looked at some of the ones in the test files, I probably wouldn't have noticed that my logic was incorrect. But anyways, thanks for watching, and let me know if how you solved it. I don't think this is the most optimal way. Let me know how you solved it, and good luck. Thanks.